Okay, so let's talk about scratches. As far as, I know we grew up with laminate countertops, and you never cut on a laminate countertop with a knife because it was going to leave a nick. What do you do to care for that as far as cutting?
Okay, so I have not tested out cutting with a very sharp knife, a repetitive type use
Like
on my countertop. Right.
Okay.
There's definitely times that you're just doing a quick something, like a big watermelon or something, and I'm just carefully going through it.
Sure.
And I have not noticed any scratching, any cuts.
Okay.
And I normally use a cutting board.
I'm looking at this now. This might not also be your food prep area.
It is my food
It is your food.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is her, and it's a huge section. I mean, this is probably what, 7 feet by 3 feet? I mean, I'm just eyeing it up right now, 7 by 4, yeah. So this is her food prep area. I'm looking here and I'm running my fingers across the grain of this, and I can't feel any, like even just the slightest rivet in the seal of this. So that's really cool as far as, again, it wasn't porous, and she hasn't had to seal it in 2 years, and it's still holding up quite lovely.